In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up installment payment plans for your customers' QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online doesn't have a dedicated installment plan feature, but you can simulate one perfectly using recurring invoices. I'll walk you through enabling recurring transactions, creating the initial invoice, splitting the total into installments, automating the schedule, tracking payments, using terms, reviewing reports, and keeping customers informed. First, enable recurring transactions. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account, open the settings gear, and select recurring transactions. Click New, then choose either scheduled transaction or invoice. This creates a template that can generate invoices automatically on the dates you set. If you want invoices to post without you touching them, make sure the type is scheduled, not reminder. Next, create the customer invoice. Click the New button and choose Invoice. Select your customer, set the invoice date to the start of the installment plan, and enter the total amount for the full sale. You're not charging the full amount all at once. You're documenting the sale so you can split it across multiple installments with separate invoices. Now decide how you'll split the total. Choose the number of installments, the payment frequency, weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and the amount per installment. For example, a total of 1,000 split into 4 monthly payments becomes $250 per invoice. If your sale includes taxes, fees, or discounts, plan to spread those proportionally so each installment reflects a fair share. Turn that initial invoice into a recurring schedule. At the bottom, click Make Recurring. Give the template a clear name you'll recognize later, set the type to scheduled, choose the interval that matches your plan, pick the start date for the first installment, and either set an end date or the number of occurrences to match how many payments you want. Most importantly, change the invoice amount to the single installment amount, not the full total. Each invoice will post automatically on the schedule you set. As payments come in, track them. Go to Sales, then Customers, open your customer's profile, and apply each payment to its matching installment invoice. QuickBooks updates accounts receivable and the customer balance, so you'll always see what's paid and what's due. Optionally, set payment terms like net 15 or net 30 on each installment invoice. This helps drive reminders and keeps aging reports accurate. Finally, review and report. Run accounts receivable aging or customer balance